This is Tanner from the Pioneer Library Systems MakerMobile. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Inkscape. Inkscape is free for anyone to use, and you can create some really cool vector art in it. So let's get started. First, go up to your search bar and go to inkscape.org. Once you're there, go ahead and click on Download Now. You have a few operating systems that you can download on. Most people will either have Windows or Mac OS. I have Windows, so that's what I will click on. Now, most people will have 64-bit, so go ahead and click on 64-bit. And now go to installer.in.exe format. Down here in the left-hand corner, that'll start downloading, and we will wait. Once it's done downloading, we'll go ahead and click on it. Click yes. This Welcome to Inkscape setup window will pop up, and we will go down here and click next. I agree. Go ahead and click on Create Inkscape desktop icon, a little check mark over here, and then go back down to next, 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 install, and we'll wait again. Once it's done installing, we'll go ahead and click on Finish, and this will run Inkscape. Okay, now with Inkscape pulled up, you're ready to explore and create some cool new vector art. Thanks for watching.